Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy options on Thinkorswim using an easy method. First, you will need to log into your Thinkorswim trading platform. Once logged in, navigate to the Trade tab, typically found at the top of your screen. Here, enter the ticker symbol for the stock you are interested in. For example, if you want to trade options on Apple, type Apple into the symbol box. This initial step prepares you to explore the options chain and make your first trade with confidence. After entering your ticker, you will see the options chain. This displays various expiration dates. Typically, weekly options are in yellow and standard monthly options are in white. Select an expiration date that aligns with your trading strategy. On the left, you'll find call options, and on the right, put options. Choose the type of option you want, then locate your preferred strike price, which is the price at which the underlying stock can be bought or sold. To select an option, simply click on its ask price if you are buying or the bid price if you are selling. This action will open an order ticket at the bottom of your screen. Carefully review all the details, including the option type, strike price, and expiration. You can adjust the quantity of contracts you wish to trade. Remember, one option contract typically represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Now, select your order type. A limit order allows you to specify the maximum price you are willing to pay or the minimum price you are willing to receive, offering more control. A market order, conversely, executes at the next available price. Once you have set your price and reviewed all order details one final time, click the Confirm and Send button. This will place your order into the market, completing the process of buying options on Thinkorswim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.